In the realm of spiritual awakening and awareness, the concept of third eye activation stands as a fascinating intersection between ancient wisdom and modern understanding. Known as the gateway to higher consciousness, the third eye, or Ajna chakra, situated between your eyebrows, is believed to enhance intuition, mental clarity, and spiritual communication. Its activation, linked with the pineal gland's health, a small, pine-cone-shaped gland in your brain, plays a crucial role in regulating your sleep cycle and enhancing your spiritual awareness. The pursuit of unlocking this energy center can lead you on a journey of self-discovery, potentially reducing anxiety and depression while fostering a profound sense of inner peace and spiritual connection. Charting the course for how to open your third eye involves embracing practices steeped in both tradition and research, from meditative disciplines and yoga to nutritional adjustments, all aimed at pineal gland activation. This video not only explores the pineal gland third eye link, but also delves into how can you open your third eye through a harmonious blend of meditation, dietary insights, and modern lifestyle adaptations. By integrating these ancient techniques with contemporary science, you embark on a transformative journey to awaken your third eye, paving the way for enhanced intuition, creativity, and a deeper universal connection. Through this exploration, we'll unveil the mystique behind third eye activation and offer tangible steps towards achieving an enlightening spiritual awakening. The pineal gland, a bridge between worlds. Nestled deep within the brain, the pineal gland, a tiny endocrine organ, serves as a pivotal bridge between our physical and spiritual worlds. This soybean-sized gland, shaped like a pine cone, is not just an anatomical entity, but a symbol of mystical significance, often referred to as the spiritual third eye. Its primary role in the body is to regulate our circadian rhythms by secreting melatonin, a hormone derived from the amino acid tryptophan. Melatonin's production is intricately linked to the cycle of light and darkness, influencing not only our sleep patterns but also our immune system, stress levels, and even the aging process. The third eye, or Ajna chakra, a concept deeply rooted in spiritual traditions, is believed to be directly associated with the pineal gland. This connection is more than symbolic. It is thought that through practices such as meditation and yoga, one can stimulate the pineal gland, potentially enhancing spiritual awareness and psychic abilities. Over time, the pineal gland can develop calcifications, which may affect its ability to produce melatonin efficiently. Factors contributing to this calcification include aging, exposure to fluoride, and possibly certain chronic conditions. Despite this, the exact implications of pineal gland calcification remain a topic of ongoing research, with some studies suggesting a link to neurodegenerative diseases. Nutritional keys to pineal gland health. In the quest for third eye activation and enhanced spiritual awareness, the health of the pineal gland is paramount. A diet lacking in essential nutrients like vitamin D and antioxidants can hinder its function, while steps to decalcify it involve reducing exposure to fluoride, found in water and toothpaste, and embracing organic, unprocessed foods. Foods such as chlorella play a crucial role in this process, not only by removing metal toxins, but by increasing oxygen levels, repairing tissue, and increasing the immune system, all of which contribute to the decalcification of the pineal gland. To further support the health of your pineal gland, adding foods like spinach, broccoli, seaweed, and fish which are high in iodine into your diet can counteract the effects of fluoride. Supplements, especially nascent iodine, offer additional benefits. Moreover, raw apple cider vinegar, with its malic acid content, acts as a powerful detoxifier, helping to clear the body of aluminium and fluoride, thus promoting a healthier pineal gland. Meditation and yoga, tools for activation. In the serene moments of dawn or dusk, when the world hovers between day and night, there lies a potent opportunity for third eye activation. Imagine yourself seated in a tranquil outdoor setting, the first or last slivers of sunlight caressing the horizon. You close your eyes, focusing on the rhythmic dance of your breath, each inhalation drawing the soft, golden light of the sun into the space between your brows. This practice, a light meditation, invites the sun's energy to pierce through the layers that veil your intuition, allowing a profound connection with your soul's voice. It's a moment of purity and awakening, where you're not just witnessing the sunrise or sunset, but actively engaging with its energy to awaken your third eye. For those times when the sun hides behind clouds or the day has been swallowed by night, a full spectrum light becomes your ally. Seated comfortably, you can replicate the earlier meditation, imagining the artificial light as the sun's rays, penetrating and activating your third eye. This adaptation ensures that your pursuit of spiritual awakening is not hindered by the absence of natural light, making third eye activation an accessible journey any time of the day. Yoga and meditation form the cornerstone of this spiritual endeavor. Through poses like the grounding child's pose or the expansive downward-facing dog, combined with deep diaphragmatic breathing, you engage your body and mind in a dialogue of harmony and balance. These practices not only prepare the physical body, but also fine-tune the mind's focus towards the inner self, setting a fertile ground for the third eye's awakening. Embracing these ancient techniques with consistency and intention paves the way for a heightened sense of intuition, clarity, and the deepened connection to the spiritual realm. Navigating modern challenges. The modern lifestyle poses unique challenges to maintaining pineal gland health. The pervasive exposure to artificial light, particularly blue light, suppresses melatonin production, while electromagnetic fields from ever-present technology like cell phones and Wi-Fi can negatively impact the gland. Additionally, pollution and an inactive lifestyle further exacerbate the risk of toxin accumulation and poor gland health. To combat these modern adversities, it's crucial to adopt practices that mitigate these effects, such as reducing screen time before bed, using filters to block blue light, and increasing physical activity. Moreover, factors blocking the third eye, such as stress, skepticism, and lack of spiritual practice, highlight the necessity of holistic approaches to wellness. Engaging in third eye activation practices can not only help in decalcifying the pineal gland, but also in regulating its function, thereby enhancing overall well-being and spiritual awareness. This journey towards pineal gland health and third eye activation is not just about physical health, but also about embracing a lifestyle that fosters spiritual growth and enlightenment. Exploring the mystical. The third eye in ancient traditions. The mystical journey of third eye activation weaves through various ancient traditions, each offering a unique perspective on this invisible eye that transcends ordinary sight. In Hinduism, the third eye, or the Ajna chakra, is not merely an abstract concept, but a pivotal center of knowledge and intuition, symbolized by the tilaka that is worn between the eyebrows. This tradition celebrates the third eye as the detector of evil and the source of divine knowledge, a belief personified by the deity Shiva, known as Triambaka Deva, the three-eyed lord. Buddhism, along with Taoism, also share profound insights into the third eye's significance. For Buddhists, it represents the eye of consciousness, a beacon guiding the faithful towards enlightenment beyond the physical realm. While the Taoists have practices that focus on the space between the eyebrows, that aim to harmonize with the universe's vibration, and lay down the groundwork for advanced meditative states and deeper spiritual awakening. Theosophy introduces a fascinating intersection of spirituality and physiology by identifying the third eye with the pineal gland, believed to be a vestigial organ awakening higher functions of the mind. This alignment with Taoism's sixth chakra underscores a universal theme: the third eye as a portal to expanded consciousness, intuitive clarity, and a profound union with the cosmic flow. Through these diverse lenses, the third eye emerges not just as a symbol, but as a tangible pathway to transcending the ordinary, inviting seekers to explore realms of awareness that bridge the human with the divine. Third eye and dimethyltryptamine, DMT. In the mind-body connection, the third eye's role in creating DMT reveals a narrative where science and spirituality converge. DMT, a natural hallucinogen, interacts with serotonin receptors, particularly the 5-HT2A receptors, among others. This interaction activates biochemical reactions that impact mood and sleep, highlighting the interconnectedness of physical and spiritual well-being. The synthesis of DMT in our bodies is a delicate dance of chemistry, requiring tryptamine to undergo double methylation reactions catalyzed by different enzymes. This process hints at the body's inherent capability to access altered states of consciousness and spiritual awareness, suggesting that the third eye's activation could be as much a biological process as it is a spiritual journey. Moreover, studies reveal that DMT levels in the brain can significantly increase under certain conditions, such as during experimental cardiac arrest in rats, indicating that our bodies may naturally enhance the production of this compound in near-death experiences or moments of intense spiritual awakening. Independent of the pineal gland, this discovery bridges the gap between the physical and metaphysical, hinting at the third eye's profound impact on our existential experiences and the universal quest for spiritual enlightenment. Integrating ancient wisdom with modern practices. In the journey of integrating ancient wisdom with modern practices for third eye activation, the narrative unfolds like a tapestry, interweaving threads of traditional insights with contemporary strategies. To protect the pineal gland, the guardian of our spiritual gateway, the modern sage is advised to limit exposure to artificial light and electromagnetic fields, ensuring the air and water that nourish them are pure, embracing a lifestyle that harmonizes with nature's rhythm, and nourishing the body with a balanced diet rich in nutrients that fortify this sacred center. This harmonious blend of ancient and modern not only opens the door to a profound spiritual connection, but also creates a sanctuary within, where creativity, imagination, and the deeper understanding of oneself flourish. The awakening of the third eye becomes a journey of discovering one's place in the universe, reducing anxiety and depression, and enhancing inner peace. It's a path that leads to vivid dreams, a heightened connection to intuition, and an array of benefits, including increased self-confidence, improved decision-making, and authentic relationships, all resonating with the deep self-awareness and wisdom that lie within. Challenges may arise, such as misconceptions, fears, and overwhelming sensations, yet these are but stepping stones on the path to enlightenment. The journey to awakening the third eye varies for each individual, inviting a personal exploration of the resonance that intertwines the inner light with the hues and colors of external reality, creating a reality that is a construct, a fusion of inner resonance and external stimuli. Thank you for watching. If you found this video interesting or useful, then please share it with the ones you care about the most, so they can use this profound knowledge to enhance their lives too and reach a higher level of consciousness. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.